4, 2, gents come forward, 4, 2, bravo. Now from here, gentlemen, you're going to lift your left arm in the air, and your legs are going to spin very gloriously on the earth. Lovely. Only one still or you will be sick on my floor. That's it. Excellent. Now, from here, dears, as there's a few of us, and I don't want anyone ending up in my fireplace, we should do the waltz steps, but we'll just do it side to side. So, the waltz steps are simply this. You go window 2, 3, door 2, 3. Join in when you want. 2, 3. Window 2, 3, door 2, 3. Window 2, 3, door 2. Lovely. Now, we're going to do that 4 times. Now, are we quite ready to put that to music, dears? Yes. Excellent. All right. I shall tell my tiny pianist to stop here. Hand them like that. 4, 2, gents come forward, 4, 2, spin your lady around, and window 2, 3, door 2, window 2, 3, again, 1, 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, gents go back, 4, 2, gents come forward, 4, 2, spin your lady around, and window 2, 3, door 2, 3,